Hi, my name is Maximiliano and I will show you how to build an electromagnet. Well, the things that we need are a battery, copper string, and nails. We need to put the copper string around a nail. That's it. It looks really cool. Then, we will need the battery. Oh no. That looks really cool. We will place a piece of string in every side of the battery. And approach the nail to some metal things. Well, I think that it doesn't work. Let's improve it a little bit. I will use soldering paste, tin, and a soldering iron, and a switch to make it look cooler because I am cool. With the help of the paste, let's weld the switch where will go our battery. Let's make the same with both sides of the string as we saw in matter and energy class. I love you, teacher, please put me a good grade. And that's it. It looks really nice. That's all for today. Please give me a like and subscribe.